Yeah, yeah, yeah. Uh, uh-huh. Handle all of my business, I'm a boss, baby. No hills on my record, I never lost, baby.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today I will be showing you guys how, not really showing y'all, but y'all gonna watch me install this wig or whatever. This hair is from Shine Wig Hair. They sent me over, hold on, a 200% density 13x4 HD lace frontal wig. This hair is 24 inches and it's in loose deep wave, I think. And y'all, this is so freaking cute. Not too much on the lace, because y'all know I'm still like learning or whatever, but like I feel like this is the best one I've did so far. So if y'all want to watch the process of me installing this wig and how I styled it and everything like that, then just keep watching.
Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick cut the bone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? You claim you want me, it ain't no plan. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no plan. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
I blow your mind, honey. Say it one time, honey. Stick it in back, tell them goodbye. Get in my ride, I wanna come back. I wanna just listen, get in your vibe. Get in your feelings, get in your feelings. None of your business. I wanna get kids, I wanna get with you, yeah. I wanna get them out of the picture, yeah. I made it my vision, yeah. It spots the difference, yeah. Me, I'm never acting shady. You will always be my baby. You be my baby, yeah.
So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no plan. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no plan. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
It's so incredible made this beat.
enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all can click up here to see how I colored this hair jet black. And yeah, you guys can use my code SAYA10 for 10% off if y'all is interested in purchasing this hair or anything else from the site. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what y'all think, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
How the fuck could you change on me? Slide every day. Ask me, was I gon' slide for you? Cause I'm sliding anyway. But now that you switched up, I could kill you any day. Like, how the fuck could you change on me? We was supposed to be gang.